Hey guys, here we are today at the dam in Lisbon. Got my bass set up, my Penrad 4000 reel with 15-pound test. I already got a black and blue rubber worm on it with a nice worm hook. Let's see what we can catch down here. It's a little bit of a walk to get down here, but see if we can catch a fish. We just had a big rainstorm recently, so the river is moving pretty hard. Smallmouth and pike are notorious on this part of the river. Today I'll probably catch a smallmouth if I'm lucky, but we'll see. We'll see if I can even get down to the river. Nice little walk down here. Yeah, not bad at all. Look at that. Look at that, man. That is beautiful. Wow, that is beautiful. Look at that. Oh, let me cast down, see what we can catch. I'll get back to you. I've cast it out a couple of times, just keep hitting bottom and rocks. Nothing's really active. It is also 90 out right now, so might be a little too hot right now. Might have to come back here a couple hours later when it cools off. But thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe.